When we make the tom yum, the creamy or pad thai, you need to have the tamarind. But when you buy tamarind from a supermarket, you can have in a packet this color. If you saw the color black like this, can use, but this they keep on the shelf is longer already. And then you can look at the color like brown, red like this. Then you have take out from the packet how much you want to use for one time, or you can use for like a, you can keep in a jar like this, and then you can keep back to in a refrigerator. You can keep a long time. In Canada, when I buy the same the packet like this in America also, it's about $4. If you buy already in a jar, become a tamarind paste like this. One jar is like a small one, like that's in Thai 120 baht already. In your home it's like $10. But this one, now you can make, you can buy the tamarind like this. They also without the seeds. Then you add the water. Then you mix with water to take out the tamarind, to make the tamarind dissolve with water. After then you make finish, you can boiling. Then you keep in a glass jar. You can keep in a container made from the ceramic. Not keep in a container with plastic, because tamarind, they sour, they have also acid. After you boiling, you take out the acids and the smell from tamarind. You have to 3 times. Everything with the Grammarly, you have 3 times. You should use like warm water. Easy when you use warm water to make the tamarind dissolve for you, because they, in the packet they put it together. It look like a little bit dry. Or you can soak in the warm water like a 5 minutes when you can do something else. And then when the tamarind they look like they open, then you can mix with water. Then inside you have like this one, and this is the tamarind, the seeds. This is a third time, and then you boiling, bring to boiling. This is tamarind after you boiling. Reduce the water, they become too thick like this. Same like a tamarind paste when you buy from the packet, from in a jar in the supermarket. You can make your home. You can make by yourself. Okay. Right now you can keep tamarind in a ceramic like this, or you can keep in a glass jar like this. This is a tamarind paste after you boiling. Now we wait the tamarind to boiling. I can toast the coconut in the pan. Let's use a low fire. This one, when you have the coconut shredded, you left with the salt about by like 10 or 15 minutes, and then you toast.ไปแอบขายตรงไหนไม่รู้ข้างหน้า Now the coconut shredded, when they get brown, then you add a little, half a teaspoon of sugar, and you mix with sugar. Turn off the heat already. I add sugar in the coconut to make the coconut after you toast. You can keep one long time to still more crispy. And you can keep this for on top any salad. Okay, I have to give you to know about the sauce for like a coconut appetizer. But it's the sugar. But you can use the brown sugar. But it's coconut sugar. But the coconut sugar in your home they look like a brown sugar. And a little bit of water. There's the sugar dissolved and boiling. And the shallot. I have to pound shallot. After the sugar boiling, then we add the shallot to boiling. But this shallot, after I pound finally, and then so when you add the shallot, the boiling, and you can see bubble around here, is done. So this one, the coconut. When you toast coconut, the coconut is not same side. Some they also light brown like this. Some the dark brown, and the dark brown, this one I have to pound. I have to put in the mortar to pound for massaman curry. When I toast, when the change color get brown, I put a little bit sugar, a little bit brown sugar, and then that's when the sugar like caramel. They cover when they dry to cold. When you keep, also they stay long time to become like more crispy. You can use this one to eat with any salad. You can put on top like a papaya salad, mango salad, apple salad, or pomelo salad. You can use this one to put on top, or after you pound, or you can mix with the rice. Or today I pound this also. You can keep that for massaman curry. Coconut toast and the pound. This for massaman curry.